Hey everybody, I'm Chris.
I'm Andrew.
Welcome back to AMA Garage 253. We got some exciting news.
Yeah, so where we left off, obviously the truck was throwing flames out of the carburetor, which is never a good thing. Of course, as far as time-wise, we just kind of shut it down. But after thinking about everything logically, like I don't know why we didn't think about it before, the timing, obviously the distributor is brand new. I didn't pay attention to the way we took out the last one, and the only thing left is to turn it 180 degrees to see if that thing's fires. So we just did it just to try it, see what happens, and we'll show you the results.
Yep. Sit by and watch. It'll happen right now.
Right now.
Yep. It's an old Chevy, you can only imagine.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing, like we said before, the last tabs was 99. They said they parked it, and that's the thing, we weren't sure if there was something else wrong with it or if it was just the distributor. So
It's just a distributor.
just the distributor. So, and of course the gas tank had a hole in it prior to us taking it out when I first got it a long time ago. So
Yeah, it was all rusted out. So.
but that's exciting. So she lives.
Yep, Andrew can literally take this for a spin around the block once we get the lights fixed.
Lights fixed, and as long as the brakes work, that's the other thing. So
Who needs brakes?
right.
It's a solid metal truck.
Cool. So there you go. That's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna obviously attach this to the first part where show a couple flames coming out of that thing, and then the next video that we put out would be taking it apart the front end. So
Yep, stay tuned. We're going to take apart the front end. We'll put some diagrams up, let you see all the tools you need if your vehicle is still original, and get into it. We're going to show you the spots where everything's at so that you can really get into your own vehicle and have a little bit of a leg up than we did.
yep. I think it's time to air this garage out.
It is time to air this garage
Great
out.
smell, but this whole thing is smoky right now.
Folks, if you're working in a small enclosed space or a garage, set up a big old fan. We got a big old fan set up. We're going to plug that thing in. It's going to be noisy as heck, but we'll be able to breathe again. You guys be safe.
Be safe.
Take care.
Thank you.
Yeah.